Hello, it's Mrs. Glasson. Parents, I am here to invite you to two important events. Two final and essential steps on your child's 11+ journey. Two ways to elucidate your child's path to success. Two 11+ English Masterclasses taught by two 11+ English experts. Interested? For more information and the Zoom link, head over to my website, www.mrsglasson.com. Take a look at the 11+ English Masterclasses landing page. There awaits an extract for a challenging comprehension written by Mr Cracknell, the Senior 11+ Examiner Emeritus. There awaits a detailed breakdown of the content of Masterclass 1 and Masterclass 2. And, most significantly, there awaits student and parent testimonials from those who have already benefited from these two unique educational opportunities. Parents, your child only gets one chance to pass the entrance exams of selective schools. Help them give it their very best shot by attending these 11+ English Masterclasses from 11+ English experts. Former 11+ exam writers, former grammar school English teachers. In the words of one of our reviewers who will be joining a particularly illustrious school in September, it's a no-brainer. If you want your child to pass the 11+, why wouldn't you want them to attend Mrs. Glasson and Mr Cracknell's 11+ English Masterclasses? The 11+ is such an important journey. End it well with experts by your side. So parents, this is your invitation. Will you accept? You decide. For more information, watch until the end. Thank you.